Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Velisa Putri Ramadhani. I'm currently a second year student of Diploma 3 in Informatic Management at Polytechnic Negeri Padang. I have always been drawn to the intersection of technology and creativity, specifically in UI/UX design and web development. For me, building something that is both functional and visually appealing is not just a skill, it is something I genuinely enjoy doing. My career goal is grow as a UI designer and web developer who can create digital solutions that are not only technically solid but also intuitive and meaningful for the people who use them. Today, I would like to take you through my skill and walk you through two of my best projects that I believe reflect who I am as a developer and a designer. Okay, let me start with my technical skill. In terms of web development, I work with HTML, CSS, PHP, Laravel framework, Bootstrap, Java, and MySQL with MVC architecture. These are the tools I use to build the back-end logic and front-end interface of web application. On the design side, I'm proficient in Figma for UI/UX prototyping, Adobe XD, and Adobe Photoshop for the interface, and graphic design in Adobe Illustrator for vector and logo design. I also use Canva for visual content creating. Beyond the technical side, I would describe myself as someone who is detail oriented and has a professional work ethic. I care a lot about the quality of the I produce, and I'm always pushing myself to do better. Okay, so now let me show you my first project is Academic Hub. This is a mobile app UI/UX design that I create using a Figma. This concept behind it is simple. When a student often struggle to manage their attendance and assignment in one place, so I designed an app that bring everything together. The app includes screen for a login, a student dashboard, attendance tracking with a tab to check in future, courses materials, assignment submission, grade monitoring, and a setting. So what I'm most proud of in this project in the consistency of the design. I built a full design system with a defined color palette, typography, and component library. So every screen feels like it belongs to the same product. It was a great exercise in taking from the user perspective, not just making things look nice, but making sure they actually make sense to use. Okay, so this is my second project in the inventory and cashier management system for Santan Ardafa, a local grocery store here in Padang. Was a project-based learning assignment with a real client, which made it a very different experience from a regular academic project. We had actual business needs to fulfill. The system was built using PHP, MySQL, CSS, and MVC architecture, and it covered everything the store needs: inventory management, stock monitoring, supplier data, a point of sale cashier system, sales report with Excel export, and role based user access for the owner and cashier staff. My role in this project was to design the overall website structure, build the front end interface, and contribute to the database design. We made this project special to me. Is the build without a template. Everything was built from scratch for a real client and at actual work. That experience taught me a lot about what is meant to deliver professional work. Okay, to wrap up, I'm a Velisa Putri Ramadhani, a designer and developer who is passionate about creating digital experiences that are clean, functional, and user-centered. I'm still learning and growing every day, but I believe the project I have worked on show that I take my craft seriously, and I'm ready to bring the same commitment to any professional environment. If you would like to know more about my work, feel free to reach out to me at this. Uh, so, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to have the opportunity to contribute and grow future in the field of information technology. Have a wonderful day.